I'm not just going to show you what I do to cure this, I'll definitely do that. And with that, I'm going to tell you the most common mistakes that we do to cure this acne, which doesn't help at all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hope all of you are safe at home. Now most of you know I have a combination skin, so I pretty much experience every skin type problem as well. So in winter my skin is dry and dehydrated, and in summer my skin is oily. It is summer right now, so I had to have the best friend of oily skin type, which is acne. Now they are not completely acne at this point, they are inflammations. I am going to zoom you in so that you can see clearly. Yeah, now you can see I have spots quite a lot here, and I have one or two in this cheek as well. Let me zoom you out. Yeah, so it's not completely acne at this point. They are inflammations and they are going to be acne soon. So I like to cure them at this stage, because once they are turned out to be acne, it spreads a lot, and then I'm gonna have to wait for a month for them to go, which is a very lengthy process. So if you see your face getting red and having few tiny bumps which are not acne or pimple, they are going to be soon. So start your skincare religiously from this stage if you don't want them to be those poppy acne. That is exactly what I'll be sharing with you today. And I have a little task for you. You are going to check and see in how many days do they cure. I post videos once in a week, which is in every Friday. So start this video with a stopwatch, because I bet you that's gonna be quick. Before starting this video, this is very important. If you have medical acne, which is hormonal acne or cystic acne, this video is not for you. You can watch it for fun so that you can have some knowledge, but this is specifically for seasonal acne or having acne because of oily skin. This is just simple acne problems and their simple solutions. If you have something beyond that, you need to visit a doctor. Now let's get started. Starting with not removing your makeup properly. Maybe you are too late and you are too tired to remove your makeup. If you're tired as hell, you can be tired as hell for 5 more minutes. Take your makeup off. And how can you take it off? I have made a video on that, which is properly on double cleansing. Well, I have made a video on that. I am going to link it in this iCard so that you can check it after this video. But as of now, if you're wearing any heavy makeup, you need to break it down with an oil and then you will go with a face wash. But I like to use an extra step. For that you need to watch this video. But if you don't have anything in your face, it's bare just like mine, a simple cleanser will do the job. You don't have to go for double cleansing. Now here comes the second mistake: choosing a very drying face wash. Oily people think more stripping the cleanser is, which means more dryness it gives to your face, that tight feeling. It's better for your skin because it's taking all of your oil out. It is amazing, right? No, the exact opposite happens. Because your face lacks oil at this point, your glands produce more oil, because it is a signal to your glands that, oh, I need more oil, so you need to produce more oil, and then your face becomes more oily. So I hope you get it. So from the next time while choosing a face wash, go with a mild one. I'm going to show you the one I use. This is the Biotique Bio Honey Gel. Now it can be pretty stripping for dry skin, but for oily skin it works amazing. So you can definitely look for this one, and it is very affordable as well. And for dry skin people, I am going to link 1 or 2 face wash in the description box, so you might want to check it out. Now let's get on to the third mistake, which is exfoliator. Physical exfoliators. Now we are going to have a little bit of fun, because I am going to do a side-by-side comparison of 2 kinds of physical exfoliator. I am not bashing any brand. Now just hide this brand name. And this is a physical exfoliator that I have. This is very old because none of us use it anymore. And on the other side we have this. This is a sandpaper and it works exactly like a physical exfoliator. You wanna know how? let me show you the comparison. So first, let's start with this physical exfoliator. You don't need to know the brand. I'm going to take a bit, and this is the Apricot Scrub. And I used to use it in my teen days a lot because scrubs were a thing. Supposed to use it just like that. So you rub it against your skin, and these apricot beads are supposed to scrub the dead skin off. And especially it is recommended for oily skin type. So you need to take your oil off like that, okay? But let me show you with a sandpaper what happens when you do that to your skin. Now, the exciting part. I have a cardboard with me, and this is our exfoliator for this. So I am going to gently, very gently, that's a lot of noise, but I am going to very gently exfoliate. And you see there are literally paper flying all over my room right now. And oh, that is the situation of this cardboard. I hope you can see what happened to the surface that we've used an exfoliator like that. Now you will say, oh, this and this are not same. Of course they are not same, but your face is not like a cardboard as well. It is way softer and gentler. So if you are still using a physical exfoliator, just put it behind your hand, and you would put a little more pressure than what you would put in your face, because it is way more gentler than your hand. And you will feel the irritation, like something is literally scratching, like a kitten claw is literally scratching your hand over and over again, and it is the same feeling just like that. And another thing which is more dangerous, if you use physical exfoliators while you have acne, I don't know how you have survived the session, because you know how painful these are. And for those who think it clears blackheads and whiteheads, it goes into our pores and it takes all the gunk out. Just for you, we cannot even see our pores with our bare eyes, and you think a big apricot granule is going to go in your pores and take all the gunk out. It doesn't happen like that. If you really want to use an exfoliator, if you feel you have problems like that, you can use a chemical exfoliator, but that's an advanced skincare. I am thinking of making a video about that, but that's another topic. But for now, we are going to wash our face with a device like that. This is my Miniso, and the things that you're seeing in front, these are silicone bristles. They work exactly like exfoliators, but these are much gentler and doesn't harm your skin. And there's a harsher side. It has synthetic bristles, but this is a bit harsh for me, so I like to go with this one. So I am quickly going to wash my face, and I'll see you after that. I've washed my face. It is pretty dry. Now, the most important thing for oily skin type, I cannot stress this enough, it is a clay mask. It is a very good way of taking the excess oil out of your skin without making it stripping dry. You can use any store-bought clay mask. Most of these are good, but today I have made something of my own. This is a DIY clay mask that I have made. Now, I'll be sharing the recipe of it in my upcoming video with 2 more DIY face masks. So you might want to hit that subscribe and that notification bell if you don't want to miss it out. Now you can apply it with any brush, but I like to put it with the help of my hand, because then I can massage it in my skin nicely. Now it feels so soothing in summer because clays are always a bit cold. Let's just hide it for a bit. See how easy it is to spread in your skin, and with brush it takes years. You can put it in your neck, in your hands and legs, wherever you want to put it. I'll wait for 5 to 7 minutes till it's half moist and half dry, and I'll rinse it off then. I've washed my face and my hair as well. Now after this, the skin feels so soft, like you literally would want to keep touching your skin, but that's a bad habit. And this clay mask, anyone can use it, normal skin, dry skin, oily skin. But for dry skin, don't keep it for too long. Wash it after 5 minutes. Okay, so it is almost dry. Now I am going to go with a toner. It is the third most important step, and it usually doesn't have any specific skin type. Any skin type people can use it, so pick one of your choice. I'm gonna spray that, and again I'm gonna pat it dry. And don't forget to take your skincare down to your neck as well. And if it's too hot around you, just keep it in your refrigerator and then use it, and then tell me how do you feel. And the last and most important skincare tip is to go with products according to your skin type. This is time for moisturizer, and for oily skin type, you want to go with a gel-based moisturizers, not a cream or oil-based moisturizers. I have a gel-based moisturizer. Even though sometimes I am not oily, I am dry, or combination, I still love using this. It is one of my favorite products in skincare. So even the days that I'm feeling really dry, I use this, and then on top I use something else, but I have to have this in my skincare routine. And for dry skin, you can go with any cream-based or oil-based moisturizer. If you have any serum, you can do that after moisturizer. Any eye cream, you can do that before moisturizer. But this video is specifically how to treat acne, and that's why I have not shown you this. But yeah, today's video is done here. So that is it. I forgot to put a lip balm, so I'm gonna do that real quick. This is important as well, otherwise your lips will be chapped. So that's all for today. If you like it, you might want to give me a thumbs up. If you have any specific skin problem and you want to see a video on that, you can ask me on the comment section and I'll happily make it for you. If you like this phase and want to see more from me, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you never miss any update. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, and enjoy your safe quarantine. And make these DIYs so that you don't get bored.